Hey, what's up, everybody? So, my name's Kyle. So today, I wanted to show y'all a new thing that I just, me when I get either new or I have old calls, I like to kind of tinker around with them, kind of switch them up type of thing, and just, see what two different calls put together or anything like that would sound like. I've done it with duck calls, and they sound pretty good for me. So today, I had two goose calls, and I want to see what test them both out myself because I bought them. So I have here, this is the body, the main mouthpiece for RNT Goozilla. Don't know if you can actually see. Yeah, it says Quackhead Goozilla made by RNT. This is the mouthpiece to call. Okay, now y'all, I know you probably all knew that. I just want to tell people that don't know that, so you can't actually tell. Now, this is a zinc insert, or because most duck calls they have the tone board with the reed already built in. As you can, everyone knows that too. Again, saying, don't comment stupid shit. So what I'm saying, people that don't know what it is actually. So this would be, if you're calling you like this, that's what this is for. So took these two and found out won't work. So what can I do with either one? This is what I came up with. Yeah, I know, looks real weird. This is the zinc, nothing naughty by nature. I don't know if you can really see that, my bad if you can't. It's a zinc naughty by nature, flat black, and the RNT Goozilla, the hand. Well, I call it the hand placement, whatever. So, but I still have all the same, the same thing that the Goozilla has, and kind of tuned it up a little bit to how I want it to sound. And so, but I wanted to see, because how the zinc 90 by nature such a shorter barrel, and the RNT such a longer barrel, as you can see. I got a deep tone out of this, so I was wanting to see, since this is a shorter barrel, for your mouth and everything. So this is what it actually looks like put together. So it's a lot shorter than the actual RNT. So by putting them together, I just want to see what kind of sound. You'll laugh at that, trust me. So see what this kind of sounds like. So like I said, I like tinkering around and trying different things. So now, let everyone know out there, I'm not even close to being a good goose caller. I'm good. I'm okay. I'm not good. I can't do all those things that all the guys that have actually practiced can do. Double clucks, train spits, and all the train notes or whatever. I can't even get those down. So my dad gave me that green Goozilla, but I bought me the zinc. So I'm just going to give you just a little sound clip of what it actually sounds like looking like this. So, if you have anything bad, or something rude or something, say, oh, that sucks or whatever thing, save it. I don't really care what you have to say, but to the people that really say, hey, that gives me compliments instead of non-compliments, save those non-compliments for yourself. But if you go ahead and say them, so what? It won't bother me. So because there are people out there who will hate. So everyone have. So I'm gonna give you a quick sound file on what it sounds like. Give me your feedback. Let me know on what you think, how it sounds. So here we go. I'm just gonna set you down. Yeah, you'll look at my ceiling on my porch. Yeah. That's a little sound clip of what it sounds like looking like that. Comment, feedback, let me know. Thank y'all. Happy hunting.